The world's finest chocolates online fundraising program makes it easy for your school or group to fundraise from anywhere. To set up a fundraiser, just choose an event date and we'll register your group. It only takes a few minutes to get set up. Once your event is scheduled, share the group code and event details with your team so all participants can register online. Group members can customize their web pages with their own avatars and upload personalized video messages. After the group is registered, they kick off the sale by sharing the URL and group code with family and friends. Customers choose from more than a dozen world's finest premium chocolate products. There's sure to be something everyone will love. The best part is, this online program is contact-free. Purchases are made by credit card and shipped directly to the customer. Most events run for about 2 to 3 weeks. When your fundraiser is over, we send your profits. You'll earn 40% for your group with zero hassle. Contact us with any questions about online fundraising and to get your group registered. Good luck with your fundraiser!